guys? Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my Instagram. I'm gonna have the link down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out the Angelus link that I have down below. If you guys end up buying something from that link, I don't get anything other than like it's like a referral thing for Angelus. If I get a certain amount of people to buy from that link, I could potentially give everybody on the channel a discount code. It's probably going to start like at 10% or something like that. But yeah, don't forget to, if you do buy anything from Angelus, it's not sponsored, but don't forget to check out the link below, comment, like, subscribe. And also, if you guys have any ideas of what I should do in my next video, just put it on a comment and, you know, I'll probably see if I can do something different. And I'll see you guys, and let's get back to the video. So what's up, guys? So due to the most recent events of this, coronavirus, apparently SneakerCon already got postponed for Arizona and the one in Ohio. And I got a letter, oh, well, not a letter, but an email saying that. And the email basically just said, you know, regarding the situation of the current circumstances, that they're going to cancel it or at least postpone it. And for right now, they don't have a date for the one in Ohio. I know the one in Arizona, I think, got pushed to October. So I'm assuming Ohio might end up being towards next year, possibly, or maybe during the winter season, maybe around December. But hopefully not that long. I was really hoping to go to SneakerCon this year, but due to this whole coronavirus situation, it's probably not going to happen. At least a lot of events nowadays are closing. You know, the NBA closed or canceled. I think the hockey league already postponed their league as well. And I know other events also did too. Also, a lot of the movie theaters that are premiering certain movies are already postponed. They got, I think the ones that I know the top of my head were Fast 9 and Quiet Place 2, and I think other movies as well. And also, from what I saw as well, is that the production for Space Jams 2 is going to be like on hold for the next, few weeks or so. But there's already celebrities that are getting this like sickness, man. It's crazy. It's crazy how people are getting this so fast. But that's why, us as people, we have to, watch ourselves, wash our hands. That's all it takes. And don't be surrounded by, big crowds. Don't go do anything crazy, But, hopefully everybody's well, trying to survive throughout this, situation. And even like all the stores like Walmart and Costco and all those other places are already getting sold out of, for whatever reason, paper towels and toilet paper, which I don't know what that has anything to do with the disease or whatever. But I know the water and the cleaning supplies are all going away. It's crazy. I went to Walmart and these people are just like fighting over the pallets and all this stuff. And Costco, everything's getting run out. Like they have already a limit per person of getting water. Like this whole situation is going like out of hand. I think so. But yeah, hopefully everybody's doing well. Hopefully this doesn't affect everybody. Hopefully everybody's able to get, stock up on goods. At least for me, we're trying to stock up, not because everybody's doing it, but because, we don't want to go to the supermarket and it's already gone, and having kids, they got to eat and drink water and all that kind of stuff. But besides, a bad note, I was able to see the new Air Jordan 4s are coming out. I think they're, let me see, I can't remember the date. So yeah, the Air Max 95 Air Jordan 4s are coming out on the 21st of this month. And I don't know. So I saw the shoe firsthand. I'm going to have a little B-roll shot here talking about the shoe. The shoe itself, it's decent. It's a decent shoe. I do like it. I like, everything about the shoe. I like, the story. And, also having a good story, Also having a good story, that definitely, I'm going to fix this new stand I got. So, having a good story is also good. But it's like, I don't know, it being, I like the fact that it's an Air Max 95, that, that's pretty cool. And it mimics that same, OG colorway. But it's like, I don't know, $225 for a pair of 4s is a little bit steep in my opinion. Now the quality, it's decent. I personally didn't like him. Maybe I gotta see him on feet. I did see him firsthand. You know, it has the same style with the box, you know, being a different color and all that stuff. Like the presentation is okay. The shoe's decent. You know, I honestly don't like that the midsole has that nubuck or suede material on it. I don't know. I just feel like that really didn't hit it for me. If they just painted it like just with paint, it being like white or something, or maybe that same graphite gray, just not painted. I mean, just not with that weird material, I would have been okay with it. But just I don't know. I felt like they could have done better with these. I felt like the story was good, and I do understand where they're coming from with it. It's just me personally, it's not a shoe that I personally am gonna cop. So yeah, I'm looking at the B-roll shots that I took from it. I do like that the tongue is a different color from the typical. It's like cut halfway. One side is black and white, and the other side is like gray and like lime green or highlighter green. I really don't like the inconsistent of colors. So like the midsole is like a weird faded gray, then the toe box is like a graphite gray. The only thing I don't like is that the midsole is like a weird gray, then the toe box is a graphite gray, and then the upper leather of that, or not, the upper material from the toe box is like some other kind of gray. Like literally each shoe is a different shade of gray. Like I do get it because, you know, the way the 95s are constructed, they have different like patterns, different colors. But it's like, I don't know, I feel like on a pair of fours I really didn't like that. Now the tongue is very plush and very thick. What I do like, honestly, is the laces. I do like the rope laces. I don't think we've seen that in a pair of fours. I could be mistaken. It's been a while. I don't know. They probably, you know, they probably have done it. I'm not really sure. But overall, you know, the shoe is decent. Not really a fan of the actual colorway, really. Just remember, it comes out the 21st of March at a retail price of $225, which I still think is a little steep. But, you know, people are going to cop, so, you know, who am I to really say anything? Also, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and, you know, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.